Question 6. A house was purchased in 1984 for $35,000. Assume that the value of the house has increased by 3% per annum since then. Which expression gives the value of the house in 2009? The house is increasing by 3% per annum year on year. So think of it as repeated percentage increase of 3% on $35,000 from 1984 to 2009. And that's the reason why we need to use the future value formula. Now the future value formula is FV, future value, is equal to PV, the present value, times 1 plus R in brackets to the power of n. Now in this case, the present value is $35,000. So that's the initial value of the house, or at least from the time we're measuring the increase from. R represents the percentage increase per annum or per period, and 3% as a decimal is 0.03, so we can express R as either a decimal or a percentage. Given the options, we're going to express it as a decimal. And N represents the number of periods. Since we're talking per annum, N represents the number of years from 1984 to 2009. So from 1984 to 2009, that's a 25-year period. So N is going to equal 25. R is equal to 3%, which as a decimal is 0.03. Substituting those values into the future value formula, we get future value, or the value of the house in 2009, is equal to 35,000 times 1 plus 0.03 in brackets to the power of 25. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.